send you a quick video to see what you think about the rocks, the edging. This has been a little bit of a challenge. We've had to change it a little bit because of the roots. We've made a little outcrop here, and then we've got the beginnings of a waterfall there. I'll come back to that in a second. And then we've got the outside edge there, which hopefully is looking a little bit more like you want it. So we've just got some like a bit of variation in the rocks in here. It's difficult to get it completely natural looking, because obviously this is an unnatural feature. Yeah, so we've brought some rocks out on this section here. That's the root. You can see how high it is from here. So we'll probably have to cover that with some of the pebbles, cement those down. We can't really find any rocks to cover that nicely. Then coming back around here, so I wasn't entirely sure what the actual waterfall was going to look like, because I think you want a pool at the top. I was just going to run a pipe through the rocks, so it just ran down through the rocks. We might be able to do a pool up there with this bit of line, or else we might have to rechange it, so we'll have to have a little look. But we kind of got to the bottom edge stage, so we kind of want to start laying one side of it. And this bit here, it's kind of thinking the water can come down through over the top of that bit there. So these are effectively like an edge here, and we'll put another big one up there. The water can come through down this way and then down across these rocks, and then we can adjust it with, so we get a few sort of stones a bit smaller than that. We put them in the middle of the water flow. We can adjust the waterfall, we can adjust the flow in the direction that it comes down. But we kind of want steps in it really to allow it to come through. Yeah, just wanted to see what you thought of these rocks, because it would be good if we could lay at least this edge along up to here, and then this side all the way along up to here, and then we can, we'll work on the waterfall in a little bit. Let me know what you think.